Wi-Fi and Mobile Hotspot. Turn Wi-Fi on and off. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar. Select and hold the Wi-Fi icon. Select the Wi-Fi switch to turn Wi-Fi on or off. To optimize battery life, turn Wi-Fi off when not in use. Connect to a Wi-Fi network. From the Wi-Fi screen, select the desired network. If necessary, enter the network password. Select Connect. To connect to a hidden or unbroadcasted Wi-Fi network, select Add Network. You'll need to enter the network SSID, security type, and password if necessary to continue. Select Save. When the device is connected to a Wi-Fi network, the Wi-Fi active icon will display in the notification bar. Data transmitted over a Wi-Fi network does not count towards your AT&T data plan and will not be billed. To forget a network, select the Settings icon next to the desired network. Select Forget. To access Wi-Fi settings, select the menu icon, then select Advanced. Edit settings as desired. Create a mobile hotspot. Use your AT&T device as a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot to share your data connection with Wi-Fi capable devices such as smartphones, tablets, netbooks, MP3 players, and more. Requires eligible data plan or mobile share. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar, then select the Settings icon. Select Connections. Select Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Select the Mobile Hotspot switch to turn it on. To change your mobile hotspot settings, such as the network name, password, or security, select Mobile Hotspot. Select the menu icon, then select Configure Mobile Hotspot. Adjust as desired, then select Save. Within Mobile Hotspot, connected devices will be listed under Connected Devices. To turn off Mobile Hotspot, select the Mobile Hotspot switch.